Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Mi 9 SE with a broken display, and we're gonna replace it here with David. Let's go! So first, we're going to remove the back cover on the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE. So this is kind of a very tricky repair because of the thick adhesives that's attached to the back cover, but we have to snip it out, some parts of it, so that we can remove it safely. So we'll reuse the back cover when we reassemble the whole thing. And we're gonna unscrew the motherboard shroud and the cover for the daughter board at the bottom. So there's a lot of them, and right here there's one stuck here. We're gonna manually unscrew it, and then it's off. And then we can see the camera system and the motherboard. We will immediately disconnect the battery, remove the SIM card tray, the shroud for the daughter board, and unscrew some of the secondary layers. So we're gonna mark some of them. Those are just special screws that you need to remember where they belong. And this is the main board. This is kind of an easy repair for now. And this is the daughter board. We're gonna extract this one. So we have to be very careful. This wire is the antenna wire. No need to remove it. We're just going to remove the board and off it goes. So this is the replacement display. When you replace the Mi 9 SE's screen, you're also going to replace the frame, just like Samsung's flagship smartphones. This is kind of cool because you will be replacing the frame, which can be good if your frame is also scratched up or damaged. So this is an easy repair, but you need to disassemble the whole thing, extract the parts, transplant them here. So this is what we're gonna do, including the battery. The battery is kind of tricky to remove because it's also held on by adhesives. So you have to be very careful when you DIY this repair. But we still suggest that you take your Xiaomi Mi 9 SE to a qualified technician so that they can assess the problem. Maybe you have other problems inside the smartphone aside from the broken display. So David here is finalizing the reassembly process. We haven't tested the display, so this is the first time that we're gonna see if it works. And of course it does. It's David. So right here we're gonna check if we miss anything. We're gonna transfer the adhesive strips from the old display, old frame, and then check before we put back the back cover, including the camera, buttons, charging. This is the old back cover. We're gonna remove the plastics on the sides. It's not gold, it's just a plastic cover. We're gonna press it in, and then of course remove the cover for the replacement display, and we're gonna put instead of a tempered glass, just a plastic cover, which is kind of cool. You want to prolong the life of your display, or when it breaks it's not gonna shatter all over the place because it's got this plastic cover. And that's how a pro technician installs it. No bubbles. It's still a mystery to me how David does it good every time. It's just gonna massage on the sides and then remove the top layer, and then it's done. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have a Xiaomi like this, message us. We're gonna give you a free quote. Until next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.